Namaste everyone. Welcome to today's 20 to 30 minutes daily yoga session by Yogway. Let's start with centralizing the breath. Sit straight. Ensure that your spine should be straight. Shoulders relaxed away from ears. Hands resting on the knees. Soft your face. Close your eyes. 3 deep inhale and even longer exhale. When I say this deep inhale and longer exhale, I mean check every step of the path of your breath. Its entry through the nostrils, passing through the throat, chest, belly, and then coming out all the way back. With each breath, you are filling your lungs, your system with fresh positive air, and with each exhale, you are releasing the toxins, if any, in the system out. Okay, bring both the hands to Gyan Mudra and let's chant one Om to begin the session. Inhale. Bring your hands to Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Let's set an intention for today's yoga class. Promise yourself to be on the mat and with your breath during the session. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes very slowly, looking towards the floor in front of you. Welcome to the session once again. Today's practice will be dedicated to sun salutation only, and we will be practicing a few rounds of sun salutations today that can be fit into our 30-minute session. Okay, so starting with the warm up. Very quick warm up, both the hands on the sides. Inhale, exhale 6 times only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, arms up, interlock the fingers inside out and stay here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and release. Side bends, left forearm on the left side, right arm straight and bend to your left. Stretch entire right side of the body. Exhale to center and inhale to other side. Keep moving 6 times. 2, 3, last 3, last 2, last 1. Exhale to the center. Next will be twisting, but today I want you to twist in some other way, in an asana. How to do it? Okay. You extend your legs in front of you, bend your right leg, place your right foot outside the left knee. Okay. Right hand on your back, and tuck your left elbow outside the right knee and look back. Spine straight, hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and release. This time, right leg straight. Bend your left leg. Place your left foot outside the right knee. Okay. Left hand on your back. Tuck your right elbow outside the left knee and look back. Stay here. Hold here. You can close your eyes and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay, now come on your all fours and meet me in tabletop. Cat cow. Inhale, drop the belly, look up, hips out. Exhale, round the spine, head between the arms. 1, 2. Keep moving. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come to the center. Tuck your toes and meet me in first down dog. Raise your heels and let's pedal our feet here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now from here, right foot outside the right palm, left foot outside the left palm, and fit in Malasana. Join your hands, tuck your elbows inside the thighs, and stay here, chest out. Next 30 seconds, be with your breath. Okay. Place your fingertips very softly, okay, in front of your mat and come up. You can bring your feet little near to each other. Hold your elbows and hang your body in ragdoll. Swing side to side. Keep moving for next 30 seconds and feel the weight shifting from left to right and right to left. Leave your elbows and roll your body up and come to standing posture. Very good. Now we are starting with sun salutations first round, And let's see, I think 3 we can do before closing the fashion. Come to starting position of the mat. Leave hardly 10 inches or maybe 1 feet distance from the top of the mat, and there will be equal gap between your feet, and feet are parallel to each other. Any gap is suitable, but definitely not more than shoulder width. Okay, just to maintain a nice balance. Okay, come here. I think 4 to 6 inches gap is ideal to have a good balance. Let's start. Chest out, hands resting on the thighs, shoulders away from ears. This is the starting position, Samasthiti. Now inhale, raise your arms from the sides, and on exhale come to Pranam Mudra. From here, inhale, raise your arms up. Once they are aligned with ears, start hinging from your hips. Take your chest out. Hasta Uttanasana. On exhale, move forward and take your hands towards your feet. Padhastasana, hand to foot pose, and take your forehead towards the knees. Forward fold. Now from here, right leg back. Ashav Sanchalan. Drop your back knee, point your back toe, look front, and front knee is just above the front ankle. Horse riding pose. Tuck your back toe and meet me in plank. I prefer plank here as a modification so that we can keep working on our core. Hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ashtanga Namaskara. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Elbows near the body. Point the toes, drop the belly, inhale to cobra. Ensure that your elbows should be near the body and your shoulders should be away from your ears. Don't shrug your shoulders. Now tuck the toes and meet me in Parvatasana, mountain pose. Okay, now from here, so many people struggle while taking your foot in between the palms in one go. So here I am explaining it again, how to make this transition possible for you if you are also one who is struggling. Okay, raise your heels, shift your weight towards the shoulders, second step, and pushing your hands away, creating space under your chest, and in one go take your right foot between the palms. If you take it little bit away in between on the midway, it's totally fine. You can drag it with your hand. Okay, drop the back knee, point the back toe, look front, tuck the back toe, left foot forward, head towards the knees, both hands up and back, Hastotana. Again go back to Padahastasana. Left foot back. Ashav Sanchalan, look front. Right foot back. Hold in plank pose. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to Parvat. Okay, now raise the heels, shift the weight towards the chest and push your hands, create space under your chest and take your left foot forward in one go. Drag your right foot little more back, point the back toe, Ashavanchalan. Look front. Tuck the back toe, right foot forward. Head towards the knees. Padhastasana. Both hands up and back, Hast Uttam. Again go back second round. Right leg, Padhastasana. Right foot back, horse riding pose. Left foot back, plank pose. Hold here, fix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limbed pose. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. Right foot forward. Horse riding pose. Look front. Back toe pointed. Left foot forward. Padhastasana. Hast Uttanasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Left leg back, Ashavanchalan. Right leg back, plank pose. Hold in plank, fix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest and chin. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. Left foot forward. Ashavanchalan. Right foot forward. Padhastasana. Both hands up and back, Hastottan. Again go back to Padhastasana, third round, right leg. Right leg back, Ashavanchalan. Look front, back toe pointed. Left foot back. I know speed is little higher, but try to be with the speed. Sometimes it is also important. Okay, hold here. Last 3, 2, 1. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. If you feel it very difficult to practice, then you can slow down the video and then practice. Right foot forward. Ashavanchalan. Left foot forward. Padhastasana. Hast Uttanasana. Again go back to Padhastasana. Last round. Left leg. Ashavanchalan. Right leg back. Plank pose. Fix. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale to Parvatasana. Left foot forward. Ashavanchalan. Right foot forward. Padhastasana. Both hands up and back. Hastothan. Exhale to Pranam Mudra. And from here, release to Samasthiti. And now, from here, let's move towards restorative poses. Fold forward. Again in ragdoll, you can increase the distance between your feet and hang your upper body loosely down. Relax here in ragdoll. You can also swing side to side if you feel like so. Be with your breath. Okay, release your arms and sit down. Now, sit in almost middle of the mat so that when you lie down, you should not be out of the mat. Okay, so now we will hold in boat pose today. Okay, 3 breath. How to hold in boat pose? This is the position. Straight your legs and here is the boat pose. You can also bend your legs if you find it difficult, or you can also take support of the mat. Stay here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, lie down very slowly. Okay, moving for some restorative poses. Bend your knees and place your hands so that your longest finger must be touching the heels and feet are shoulder width or little more than shoulder width apart. Inhale, press your feet, take your hips up, chest out and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and release. Next is figure 4 stretch. Place your right ankle on the left knee. Thread your right hand between the legs and left hand outside the left leg. And hold your left shin. Pull it towards the chest and breathe in the stretch. Exhale. Switch side. Left ankle on right knee. Left hand threading between the legs, right hand outside the right leg. Pull it towards the chest. Release. Okay. Next is Markatasana. Interlock your fingers under the head. Both the feet mat width apart, parallel to each other. Drop your knees to the left. Look towards your right. You can close your eyes and breathe here. Exhale to center. Inhale to other side. Knees to right and gaze to left. Exhale to center. Happy baby pose. Take your both feet up, hold outer arc of the feet and swing side to side. Okay, release. Straighten your legs. Place your hands loosely beside the hips, palms facing upward. And stay in Shavasana for next 1 minute. Let's bring the awareness back. Move your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your feet together. Interlock your fingers above head. Bend your knees and taking palms under the head, turn to any preferable side. Now taking foot off the mat, come to seating posture. If possible, please keep your eyes closed. Don't lose the connect. Come to Ardha Sukhasana or simple cross-legged posture. Sit here in silent meditation for next 30 seconds. Just be with your breath. Let's move for Brahmari. Humming be found 3 rounds. Cover your eyes gently with the fingers. Plug in your ears with the thumbs and let's produce hum sound on our own 3 times. Inhale. Release. Feel the vibration after Brahmari practice. Bring your both the hands in Gyan Mudra and let's end the session with one Om chant. Inhale. Join your hands in Pranam Mudra in front of your chest. Bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today, for sparing this time for yourself, your mind, body, and soul. Promise yourself to bring you on the mat every day. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes very slowly, looking towards the floor in front of you. Namaste everyone. See you tomorrow.